Damon, how's the forecast looking right now here in our area?
I mean, can't beat what that was right there up in New Jersey, but we actually have most of the same, Mark, so tough for us to complain, really, just down the road here. It's been an amazing start to this week here. It's mid-June, and we're feeling almost like a springtime day, and earlier this morning, you may have thought it was fall as well with how crisp it was. Here are those current temperatures, though. Certainly has warmed up with how sunny it has been all afternoon. We're seeing a few more of those lower 80s. Culpeper, Waldorf, D.C., right at 80, and Westminster up in Carroll County at 81. But many more of us are still in the 70s after all. And again, the most important thing is that those dew point numbers, the humidity is practically non-existent this afternoon. Now that will be changing pretty drastically as we move on into Wednesday and Thursday. But for the time being, my goodness, is it amazing. And it's been fairly clear, like I mentioned. Now, we have had a few clouds, most notably down to the south. There's been a pretty consistent wave of high clouds trying to nudge up from the south, but they're not making it very far because of all that dry air we have over the region today. Eventually tonight, though, that dry air starts to retreat. The clouds roll in, and soon enough, the heat and humidity follow. Here it is tomorrow afternoon. Oh yeah, we're no longer going to see those 70s. As a matter of fact, we'll be closer to the 90-degree mark than anything, with a few of us hitting that mark tomorrow afternoon. So there's the heat dialing up. That's one factor here. Now, we can deal with some heats on occasion, but what really makes it tough is when that humidity starts to dial back up. And look, we're seeing some more green on our dew point map tomorrow. That means the mugginess will start to come back. We'll feel it out there on Wednesday, but then Thursday, oh, it's back in full force, folks. It is going to be sticky out there. Classic summertime setup here. And all of this is the reason why we have the chance for storms. As we roll into the day on Thursday, the heat humidity will be set up and a cold front will be swinging in, trying to tap into some of that energy that's available to it. So here it is, that severe outlook on Thursday. We're painted in yellow once again, so that level 2 risk is back in play for the DMV. But here is sort of the question mark as we move into the day on Thursday. That front, it's going to be losing some steam as it arrives here on Thursday morning. And on top of that, we're going to have clouds in play, trying to keep some of that energy available to the front to a minimum. So as we roll into the day on Thursday, we're likely to see some thunderstorms developing out there, but they're going to be widely scattered. A few of us may see one of those strong to severe storms that could bring some gusty winds, hail, heavy rainfall. But look at this, the majority of us won't see anything. So that's why, yes, there is that severe risk. We definitely cannot let our guard down, but overall, we're not greatly concerned about that severe threat as it stands right now on Thursday. It's not going to be like this past Friday when there were storms popping up left and right, and we were having to deal with that. So again, an interesting day on Thursday, pretty hot and humid, but we quiet down, we cool down, and it looks like it's going to be beautiful for this upcoming weekend for the start of summer and Father's Day.